Good morning from Charlotte, North Carolina. It is almost 9:30. I've got 132 subscribers on my way to 1,000. Gosh, I don't even know. I forgot what I was going to talk about. Oh, Medicare. Up yours. Medicare's the worst I've ever seen it. I went to see my doctor. I just think I went in and did a urinalysis, is all I did. A urinalysis. Didn't even see a doctor. I was charged $29.24. As I've said before, guys, let me explain something to you. You may be at work and come home and see this vlog. I want to tell you, America, you're out there working hard right now and you're paying your taxes and you're trying to be a very good American citizen. And you file your income tax on time. And yes, our U.S. government has dipped into Social Security to use it for themselves on your taxes. It is, guys, that it just really pisses me off because I've worked hard in my life, and I have. I don't know if I can do this. I like to get all my tax returns and all the taxes that I've paid the federal government to have a crappy Medicare system that has a lot of stuff. I told you one was $122, one for $29.24, another for $58. You know, guys, like I said, my whole thing is this is the first time I've seen this happen. Now, I'm going to tell you, Donald Trump, like I said, I don't really care anything that he does or doesn't do. But Donald Trump could care less, as I said, about you, the poor senior citizen. He doesn't care. He's sitting on billions of dollars. He gets health care you only dream of having. So I want to say again, what has happened to Medicare? All these hidden bills coming. You know, when you're poor, and I'm pretty damn poor, you know, luckily I have Medicaid, so that takes care of Centerwell. But Centerwell, like I said, I asked them yesterday, do you have my Medicaid card in there? And they said yes. Now, my whole thing about Medicare is that I'm appalled of how the United States handles their senior citizens, the ones that worked, paid their taxes, and were good American citizens. Senior citizens, you know what the U.S. government wants to do with you? Flush you down a toilet. Flush you down a toilet. As I said, I wish America would wake up and study socialism for a little bit and understand it more. Because in capitalism, it is basically the rich stepping all over the middle class guys like me and you. And they do. They're just stepping all over me. Now, when I do my vlogs, you'll see a situation of my being upset and pissed. And that could be part of my stomach problem for sure. All these bills. And a lady told me Humana. She has Humana Medicare Advantage. And Centerrail said, yeah, I pay copays to see specialists. You know, guys, when I'm serious about this, my insurance policies I had working for my companies I worked for, I would go to a doctor and they'd say that'll be $15, and I'd give them $15. That'll be $25. I'd give them $25. You know, so should I just get rid of my Medicare Advantage and just get a basic policy of an insurance company. You know, Medicare this year is the worst I've ever seen it. It's terrible. It's awful, you know. And poor, let me explain something about seniors. A lot of these seniors don't know what to do, and they don't. They'll just roll over and go, okay, 120, hey, honey, we're going to have to skip getting this food, that food. Won't be able to drive the car much, put gas in it. Let me think. Yeah, we were going to help out Joey on his car payment. We got to take care of that so I can pay this medical bill of $155. Does that sound fair to you that a senior citizen that has built, well, let me tell you something. You know, I'm a pissed off senior citizen. I am pissed off. Senior citizens should get on Medicare free insurance. It's free. You go to your primary doctor, everything's free. You go to your dentist, you have $3,000, but basically it's free. You go to a specialist, that's free. So why can't Medicare wake up? Social Security. What the hell? I paid a lot of dollars into Social Security. What's going on with you? So I'm going to go ahead and end this right now. And like I said, I'm just a pissed off man. And I'll be honest with you, Medicare and Social Security, up yours. You know, wake up. Treat senior citizens the way they're supposed to be treated. We've earned our right for free health care and Medicare. Thanks for listening, guys.